How to make tower bars using Syndopour 200 mb, a low pH melt and pour base that's gentle on both hair and skin. Cut the base into small pieces and melt in the microwave or in a Pyrex dish over a pan of hot water. Once the base is liquid, stir and add colour using specialist soap colours such as Colour. You can also add essential oils to create scented bars. Stir your base well until the colour is evenly displaced. Then pour into your silicone moulds. To give my towers a range of colours, I begin by using less colourant, creating lighter hues and adding more as I pour into each mould. I like to create a large range of different colour mixes to experiment with when I build the towers. Leave your moulds in a cool, dry place for the base to set. After around 3 to 6 hours, depending on temperature, your bars will be ready to demold. Gently peel off the silicone mould and pull your bar away. The mould set I've used is linked in the comments. This set comes with an additional mould to make a central bar. You can stack the tower with or without this bar. Build your towers and place them in the bathroom where they're ready to use.